Hey everybody, it's our big annual crawdad catch and boil in the year 2020, strangest year ever. But we should still be able to round us up a big pot of crawdads and have us a nice feast. But first things first, I gotta get up here, get my shad carcasses torn up, bait this hole, and then we'll get to picking some crawdads. This is the good stuff right there. Nice shad. It's not rotten, it's good. And the guts, these bellies, these fatty bellies, just oil up the water. And we'll really get these crawdads coming in from a long ways away. Let's get them, Luna. Oh yeah. Come over here. I've just got the bait out a couple of minutes ago. You can see, there's already a trail of red starting to form all the way down here for about 30 feet, heading up to these shad carcasses here. Definitely gonna get our crawdads today. Mash that up. Ugh. Bait smashing. Ah, yeah. Look at that scent trail. There was a time I was a legendary crawdadder. Now I'm just a master baiter. This is the best for kids. They love it. I haven't found the kid yet that doesn't love catching a bunch of crawdads, even if they get pinched. Oh, there's some nice ones right here. Oh, man. Need a bigger net for this. 1, 2. Great. I got 4 of them off that piece. There's another one right there. Oh, don't get away. They can't get away. It's too shallow. Just grab them. Just use your grabbers. It's no problem today. Get that guy though. That's a nice crawdad. Ooh, that's an even nicer crawdad. Where are you gonna go? In the net. Where are you gonna go? In the net. Ooh, there's another nice one. Scare him for there. In the net. Oh boy. Oh, that's a monster. In the net. Uh-oh, in the net. Oh yeah. Oh, my net's getting too heavy to move. Look at this group. Crawdad him in his crawdad sack. Wow, there's some good ones, you guys. Hey, not bad. Oh. Dogged ya. Didn't get far. Hey, that was cheating. All right. hopefully I can fit these guys in here and get them back to the valley, have us a big feed. Which when you're traveling with your crawdads, you want to keep them cold and moist, but not underwater, because they'll starve themselves of oxygen and die. So just a block of ice in a cooler will get us where we're going. That'll do. Oh boy, it is definitely tearing. Just need a second. 36, almost 37 pounds. Not too shabby. So, I want to get a real good, heavily seasoned water going here for the boil. So I'll add in one of these bottles of seasoned salt. You can use whatever you like here, of course, but I like to get sort of a salty component, a spicy component, something a little sour. Got some garlic here, a bunch of bay leaves, just one lemon. It's not going to do much, but a lot of times I'll put in a dozen lemons. I got a bunch of dried garlic here, and this is a Asian soup mix that's really tart. So this is my sour component, but you could use more lemon juice or some vinegar, or of course some nice Louisiana hot sauce, real good. But look at the picture on there, it's perfect. So I'll put in a couple of packs of that. Then I'm gonna go get some dried chilies too, I forgot, and throw those in there. There we go. These babies are really, really hot, so I'm not gonna put a whole ton of them in there. But I do want some zip. Oh, buddy. Hope it don't melt my camera. Ah, let's get some heat into that seasoning. Get that water flavored up really good. Now, we'll let that simmer for a little while, get those flavors really working in there. There we go. We'll give this corn about a 5 or 10 minute head start, because it takes the longest to cook. Some really nice looking corn. I don't want to splash myself. There we go. Now, as soon as that gets up to a ripping boil it for 10 minutes, turn off the heat, and wait 20 minutes, and it'll be done. Oh yeah, that's ready. I can't imagine much more fun than heading down to the river, filling a couple of buckets with crawdads, and then coming home and having a big old feast with your family and friends, and next thing you know, it's the middle of the night, and you're out in the backyard roasting a marshmallow over the fire pit. Well, I certainly had the time of my life today, and hopefully you can get out and do the same. Thanks for watching.